I'd like to thank everybody for inviting me here today. It was quite a lovely experience to see Tamil culture and history in action.
தமிழக மக்களுக்கு என்னுடைய வணக்கத்தை தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன். இந்த அற்புதமான விழாவை பார்க்கிற பொழுது எனக்கு மிகவும் மகிழ்ச்சியாக இருந்தது. விழாவிலே பங்கெடுத்துக் கொண்டவர்களை பார்க்கிற பொழுதோ மகிழ்ச்சியாக இருந்தது.
I'm happy to see that Jallikattu is being organized in a systematic and safe way so that both the bulls and the youngsters are safe and everybody is taken care of. And I have specifically come here because I think Tamil culture, Tamil language, Tamil history are essential for the future of India and need to be respected by everybody in India. I have come here to give a message to those people who think that they can run roughshod over the Tamil people, who think they can push aside Tamil language and Tamil culture. I have received tremendous love and affection from the people of Tamil Nadu, and it is my duty to stand with the people of Tamil Nadu and protect their history, their culture and their language. So I have come here also to learn about your culture, about your feelings, about your history. I would like to wish everybody happy Pongal, best wishes to everybody, and I'd like to congratulate all the youngsters here who've done such a tremendous job. The government is not just neglecting them. The government is conspiring to destroy them. There is a difference. Neglecting is you ignore them. They are not ignoring them. They are trying to destroy them. They are trying to destroy them because they want to benefit 2 or 3 of their friends. They want to give what belongs to the farmer to 2 or 3 of their friends. They want to take the land of the farmer, they want to take the produce of the farmer, and they want to give it to their friends. That is what is happening. So the word neglect is too weak a word to explain what is taking place. The other thing is that the farmers of this country are the backbone of this country. If anybody thinks that you can suppress farmers and this country will continue to prosper, they just have to look at our history. Whenever Indian farmers are weak, India is weak. And I would like to ask a counter question. You are suppressing the farmers. You are helping handful of businesses. When Corona comes, you are not helping the common man. You are not supporting the common man. Whose Prime Minister are you? Are you the Prime Minister of the people of India? Or are you the Prime Minister of 2-3 selected businessmen? And the final question, what is China doing inside our territory? Why are the Chinese people sitting inside Indian territory?
ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. మరిన్ని అప్డేట్స్ కోసం మా ఛానల్ ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి.